Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. This reduces friction later. First, make sure your iPhone runs a recent iOS and your PC supports AirPlay or the chosen app. Then, join the same Wi-Fi network so AirPlay can discover the PC, or plug the iPhone into the computer with a Lightning or USB-C cable if the app supports wired mode. Once done, launch the mirroring software on the PC and allow any incoming network or firewall permission prompts so discovery will work. With the app running, you now initiate the actual connection. Swipe down for Control Center, tap Screen Mirroring, and choose the PC's name. This triggers an authentication step. Enter the 4-digit code if the PC shows one. Make sure to set resolution or frame rate in the PC app because higher settings increase CPU and network load. Also choose whether to mirror audio from the iPhone or play through PC speakers. Once connected, your phone screen will stream. Make sure animations and videos run smoothly by monitoring. Finish the session by stopping mirroring in Control Center or closing the mirroring app on your PC. That cleanly releases the connection. If you see lag or stutter, switch to a cable connection if available, lower the streaming resolution, or move both devices nearer the router to improve throughput. If the PC never appears, restart iPhone and PC, check that the mirroring app has network permissions, and disable any VPN or strict firewall temporarily. This usually resolves discovery and pairing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.